Leather filler is a soft, adhesive, flexible filling paste for repairing surface imperfections and damaged leather. Use it to fill and smooth cat scratches, holes, delamination, cracks, and 2. Cover stitching and glue joints. Apply it in thin layers to well-prepared surfaces with drying between each application. Allow to air dry in 1 or more hours, or use a hairdryer to speed dry. It's an option to tint filler with leather paint. This can make it easier to conceal later in the process. Filled areas can be sanded by hand or using a palm sander when cured. Use a stucco or stippling technique to create a gently textured surface that resembles leather grain. Dab filler, a long fractured piping to rebuild the surface. After a few layers of colored filler, switch to white to find any remaining cracks and crevices. When filling is done, sand to render a gently textured surface that is ready to be finished with leather color. After priming, apply several coats of leather paint to cover and conceal the repaired areas. The filled areas disappear as the coverage builds. Time spent finessing repairs is richly rewarded as the new coatings transform damage into restored beauty. Filled areas remain flexible. Filler is the humble workhorse that rectifies years of wear and tear so that old and loved pieces can live on. Remember the hole. It's gone. Thanks to leather filler.